Okay, here, so I did not know it was going to be white. And kind of, I don't know. I mean, that's carbon fiber, I guess. Probably not. With the rest of these pieces, I'll probably just go ahead and have them wrapped. I don't know about painting or anything like that. I don't know a painter. What's going on, everybody? Felix here, and I'm outside my old college because I felt like reminiscing a little bit, showing my daughter around a little bit as I kill some time because I'm taking my GTR wing for the Skyline to a painter. Come check this out. Now, here are the unpainted GTR wing parts. There's 3 sections, and let me tell you, I had a hard time.
It's gone.
I had a hard time finding someone who could do it for a reasonable price until my coworker actually gave me the name of somebody. Mako quoted me $600. Another person said $600. This guy's gonna hook me up and do all 3 panels in the silver for 280 bucks. That's what I call a deal right there. And so now we're going to take it over there to Arlington. It's a little bit of a drive for me, but you know what? It's worth it for that price. And we're going to get these things painted, look good, put on the Skyline. So let's go. So I just got the GTR wing back from the paint shop, and this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like right here. Not bad. You know, there are some small imperfections on it. Like, you know, right here, you know, some little things and everything, but you know, that's not too bad for 280 bucks for the paint. I could live with that. It'll go on here, and he said once I put it all together that he'll take it, he'll buff it all out and everything, because with the parts just the way they are, he couldn't really get a good hold of it, but not too bad. So we'll get to assembling it and see what it looks like all together. So we're finally getting the GTR wing installed on the Skyline. So this one will come off, and when we see it next, hopefully it'll be transformed to a whole new beast. This is the work that he does. Great work. This is my co-worker's car, looking great. So I'll make sure I put his information there later. Okay, I got a text saying it was done, and man, look at it. Just the wing alone just makes it seem like a different car. I'm telling you, man, my guy does such a great job. It no longer looks just like a plain, you know, spec one. It completely transforms the car, and I am so happy with it. Let's go talk to the man himself. One more last look at it. Wow, it looks amazing. All right, go ahead.
Cuando quedan un trabajo de pintura en los carros o un trabajo de pintura custom, pueden venir aquí a Arlington o llamarme al 682-221-5071. Gracias.
All right, gracias, man. Yeah. All right, so the wing, it looks amazing. It totally transforms the car. It goes from a sedan-looking car to an actual sports car. And when you look fast, you are fast. So that is it for right now with the Skyline. You know, of course, we got the intercooler to do, and the pillars and the smoked out indicator lights coming soon, but that wasn't as big. Well, maybe the intercooler is as the wing, but that is coming up soon. And of course, we got the other 2 Supras in the garage that we are still working on bit by bit, but with the seasons coming up, it's getting cooler now. It's getting darker earlier. Not so much, but what do you think of the wing? Do you like it? Was it appropriate to do it since it's a GTST, or should I just let the inspect wing on? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.